All right, we have a video today, a very short video, trying to help a couple of folks out that have left comments on my videos. One is Davinci Resolve on the iPad. The second will be Thunderbird email from Windows 11 to Linux. So I'm going to show how to fix these problems and hopefully help somebody out in the process. Y'all stay with us. Hey everybody, Scott Burnett here. Welcome back to the channel and welcome back to another video. Hope you're doing well today. So like I said in the intro, I had a couple of comments asking for help on two different things. One of them was the Davinci Resolve on the iPad, and the other is Thunderbird email going from Windows 11 to Linux. So I'm going to try to make this video short, and we're going to drop down to the iPad and help this person out. So let's drop down there. Okay, here I am on my 12.9 iPad, and this is the Davinci Resolve problem. And the comment says, man, I can't even get import from photos to show up. Open media just shows me everything except the photo album. Help. All right, we can do that. So take my pencil, I'm going to open up Davinci Resolve, and here is Davinci Resolve 19 for the iPad. And right here is the import media button that he's talking about, right here where I'm drawing the square around it. Now if you just tap that, it opens up the file browser or file explorer. Well, that's not what he wants. So we'll hit cancel. And what you do, you hold your finger or your pencil on the import media button, and it opens up a context menu. And then you can go here and say import media from photos, and it'll open up your photo album. So I'll do that for you one more time. It will go here to import media, and we'll just tap it. Well, it opens up the file explorer. Don't do that. We want to hold our pencil or our finger on that, open up the context menu and say import media from photos. All there is to it. A lot of these things they don't tell you about. Okay, so they got the first problem solved. Let me move my iPad out of the way. We'll get Windows 11 booted up, but I'll go ahead and read the comment. Hi, I'm a new user moving from Windows 11 to Mint. Can you please show how to install Thunderbird and then copying a Thunderbird profile from Windows to Mint? Cheers. All right, we can do that. So let me drop down. I have two virtual machines running. I have a Windows 11 and a Linux Mint 22. I got both those running, and I will show you how to do it. So let's drop down. All right, so what we got a Windows 11 virtual machine running here. And what we're going to do, we're going to go to thunderbird.net. And you can see everything on the website here from my other video. And this is identical to the installation on Linux Mint. You go download. We're going to download it. We're going to open the file. And it's going to extract it. And we're going to run through the installer, standard, default, install. And we're going to launch it. And then I'm going to put in my information. Okay, everything looks good. Now Google's going to say, hey, do you want to do this? All right, account successfully created, just like I did on the other one. You can go in, change all your settings and stuff. I got an email from Google. We'll go ahead and turn our calendar on, and we'll hit finish. And this email account's just for show. That is how you install and set it up. Piece of cake. Okay, now that we have the email account set up and everything, now we want to go to the Linux Mint. I'm going to go up here to the Thunderbird menu up here, the hamburger menu at the top right. I'm going to click it and go down to Tools. And now I'm going to go to export. Now it says if your account is larger than 2 gigs, let's say you have years worth of emails and calendar entries and tasks and whatnot, your folder could be bigger than that. Mine is very small because I just created it, but you can open your profile folder and there's mine, and it's very small. Now what you would do here, you would just copy this whole folder onto like a USB drive or whatever. Let's say one of these. And this is what I'm going to do, as a matter of fact, but I'm going to use the export tool. So you see this blue button right here that says export. I'm going to click export. What in my desktop? And it says Thunderbird profile backup. I'm going to hit save. Mine's very small, so it was quick. All right, we're going to close Thunderbird, and there it is right there. It's 18.3 megabytes, very small. So now I'm going to take this USB drive, I'm going to plug it into my computer, and the best way I have found to do it is have it formatted in FAT32. I'm going to open the folder, and I'm just going to copy and paste. Copy. I'm going to copy and paste into my USB drive. And now I can take this USB drive over to my Linux Mint after I eject it. So let me shut this one down. Let me boot Linux Mint up, and we'll bring it in there and I'll show you how to do that. All right, here I am on my fresh Linux Mint install. So what we're going to do, we're going to go to the web, and we're going to install Thunderbird just like I did on the other. Well, wait a minute. I don't have to because it's already installed on here. Well, if you wanted to do it, it's right here. So I put the chickens before the cart here. All right, Thunderbird. So we don't have to set up an existing email. We can cancel this, and we are in Thunderbird Mail. So what we're going to do, we're going to go up to the Thunderbird menu again, just like we did before. We're going to go down to Tools, Import. And it gives you options here. You can import from another Thunderbird installation, like on the same machine, like if you did an upgrade or something. We're going to import from a file, and it's a profile backup. Import backed up profile, import calendars or address books. We're going to do the first one. And it's that one right there, Thunderbird profile. So you always want to look for that. So we'll go to that and there, and then hit select. And it'll say Thunderbird will be restarted when importing is complete. And we'll start. And that was it. Now, Google, if you have a Google email, it'll want you to re-authenticate. So I will re-authenticate and be right back. And I am back. And here is my fresh Thunderbird install with my email account, calendar, and everything on Linux Mint 22. If I wasn't filming that would have took about 2 minutes. So yeah, there's my calendar, there's my email, and I really hope this helps you out. So there you have it, 2 problems solved. Probably a better record than I had today back over there. But hopefully this helps somebody out, and hopefully, share the information, and hopefully it'll help more people than that. That's one of the things I really like doing. I really like helping people, and I don't claim to be a genius, don't claim to be a professional at this, but I just enjoy doing it. But if you did get something out of it, don't forget, hit that thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, hit that bell to be notified. And I got a few more videos coming out, just got to find time to put them together. So, anyway, I hope everybody's doing well today. I hope you're having a good week so far. But like I always say, until the next video, thanks for watching.